to the Maak channel. Today we are going to draw a simple and cool drawing of a snake together. We start with its eyes. Now we will draw its mouth and its bite inside its mouth. Now it's the turn of the head to draw. Well, let's move on to drawing its body. As you all know, snakes have no arms or legs and move by a crown. Now we will draw the molds and lines on its body. It's time to color. We color its eyes with black, red for its mouth. We color its bite with orange. We will also paint the moles on its body with dark green. Now we will use light green to color its body. Do you know bite is a kind of defense mechanism for snakes? What a beautiful green color! And finally, a little yellow to color this part. If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.